Meow. Meow.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat, highest floor of the Bowery, and I was high enough. There along the lines, stopped seeing eye to eye, we were staying out all night, and I had enough. Mean nothing to me no more, no more.
Hi guys, welcome back. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. That's coming up soon. I'm so happy to be back. Today I filmed a red liner, kind of sexy, sultry eye look for you guys, and I finally used the Kim Kardashian shimmer gloss. Shimmer gloss, is that what it's called? Oh my goodness. I'm trying to do this like it's a big intro, and then I just the name of the product I'm using. I'm so sorry. I'm a little under the weather, but that's fine because like filming this video gave me energy and gave me just this anxiousness to get it done. So I got through, thank God, and I'm really happy with how the look turned out. I haven't done anything like this before, so it was really fun to see just what I could do. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how this looks on the lips, just keep watching. And yeah, enjoy the video. I'll see you guys soon. Mwah. Bye, beauties.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat, highest floor of the Bowery, and I was high enough. There along the lines, stopped seeing eye to eye, we were staying out all night, and I had enough. No, I don't wanna know where you've been or where you're going. I know I won't be home, and you'll be on your own. Who's gonna rock you through the dark side of the morning? Who's gonna rock you when the sun won't let you sleep? Who's waking up to drive you home when you're drunk and all alone? Who's gonna rock you through the dark side of the morning? had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat, highest floor of the Bowery, and I was high enough. Where along the lines, stopped seeing eye to eye, we were staying out all night, and I had enough. No, I don't wanna know where you've been or where you're going. I know I won't be home, and you'll be on your own. Who's gonna rock you through the dark side of the morning? Who's gonna rock you when the sun won't let you sleep? Who's waking up to drive you home when you're drunk and all alone? Who's gonna rock you through the dark side of the morning? I had a dream, we were back to 17, summer nights and the libertines, never growing up.
Thank you guys so much for watching. You know I love making these videos for you, and your support means the world to me, so please leave a thumbs up if you actually enjoyed the video, and comment on any ideas that you guys have for future videos that I can make, reviews, makeup tutorials, anything in that mix. I'm totally down. And I'll see you guys soon. Mwah. Bye, beauties.
I'll take with me